Okay, so plan today, I think, on the farm is to plant tomatoes. Is that right?
What did you say?
Plant tomatoes? Planting the...
Yes.
What else?
Tomatoes. Cucumber, melon, watermelon.
Everything. So, let's go. Here we go. Wait, I just do the scenery. Yes.
Wow.
Okay, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sonny. I'm 9 years old.
My name is Marama. I am 10 years old.
You have 10 minutes, sorry.
Okay.
My name's Stan, 21 years old. Here in the TV village. I'm gonna give you the camera for 10 minutes. You just run off and do what you want.
We go to the garden. Me, Masi, Marama.
Controlling the cows? Eh?
Take a rest over there.
You?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
You wake up, didn't see me? Huh? Bula! Bula! Bula mati! I'm Marika, Masi's father. I'm staying in Fiji. I'm living in the village called TV. This is my farm. That's my tomato farm. My wife done there. And my daughter's here. And my son. This is my pair of bullocks. I used to plant. Used as a, this we call it Fijian Siviara. How to plant the land. And there's that one, I call it the hair harrow. Like the spike. It's going like this. Wah, like take the grass like that. Here, we plant the tomato. After that, we harvest and take it to the market to sell it there. For our family. Money like that. Like the school girl for Lenny. One daughter at home. Year 18 now. Last year for her to school, and we prepare for the next year. We went to you go to the FNU or USP or any foundation. You want to go? That's why we plant the tomato here, and we want to sell it to the market to get some money. If somebody want me overseas to come there to plow the land, I can come. If you want to go this side, you pull this one and release this one. If you want to go straight, just leave them go like that.
Okay.
You and me will go. I will go with you.
Okay.
Hi. Well, Hey, hey, hey.
His red eyes were glaring up at me from the chute tonight. His horns are flashing through the air like a Ginsu
Yeah.
night.
Release the red one.
Yeah, you're set already. Yeah.
And release again.
Yeah, so you can tell it's my first time. Showing me how it's done. Pretty crazy the amount of effort that goes in. I think in the UK you don't see any of this unless you work on a farm. You don't see any of this, and makes you appreciate a lot more how much easier things are. But here, yeah, you work hard for everything, and I think that's what makes Fijians such amazing people.
Come on, big ball.
Come on, big balls.
Come on, big ball.
Big
Come on, big ball like
Follow level. Oh man. Say hello. Say hello. You just press these two in, eh? These two sticks inwards here.
Yes.
Run.
Yes.
Press like this, eh?
Con.
Here.
Nhiều lửa.
And then, let go. And then, this one, up.
Dạ, nó không biết lắm rồi.
Okay.
Queo này. What is it? Give it to me.
Sendiri ni. Taman sendung. Sendung.
This one up and down. Nice! Woo! Lenny! Same flavour over here.
Masih.
Lenny. Lenny, oh sorry. Lenny the pilot. Yeah? No. The pilot.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Back here tomorrow. First day for Stan to plant tomato in my farm. Bye bye UK. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.